Hey guys, it's me Jenna back, or me Sunlights, also known as Sunlights. Today, I am not on Roblox. I am on Gachaverse. So, yeah. I'm being a Pop-Tart. I have two girls of the same colors and two boys of the same colors. They're all just in different poses, so yeah. And they look almost the same. They don't. There's one's blood and one's like kind of pink, brown, and yellow mixed together, I want to say. But, I'm not sure. Yeah. I like her so far. But the ones in the same colors. You know. She used to have white hair and stuff, but now she doesn't. She has it. She's still wearing all the same thing. All the same thing she was before. Actually, no. I take that back. She's wearing the same me. Shoes, hairstyle, and shirt. But her skirt is different. And she has gloves on. I made her, I think. And then the other one that's that color was her. I didn't change her pupil. So that's the only thing I didn't change. Oh, and her eyebrow. She's still the same. He's still the same. He's close to being the same though. Okay, so let me show you. This is how I made her. She's not wearing any skirts though. Her eyes are different. Her hat isn't, and she's wearing gloves, long pants, and that shirt. And her hair is not any different. Oh, and I didn't take her hat off. So, yeah. That's pretty much all. But I don't want to have two babies, so. Oh, and sorry, I'm still in my Pop-Tart. I didn't change her pose. Now I was trying to dress them up for winter. So, that's what I'm gonna do. I either wear that skirt or that skirt. I like that skirt better, so. I just think it looks better, okay? I'm gonna move that up there, my camera. I don't know, I'm moving it there. I'm moving it back there, sorry. This is annoying me moving my camera. Sorry, it needs to go somewhere. Then I'm gonna put that and make her sleeves long. I could give her, if I can find them, the shoulder sleeves, but that doesn't match her outfit, and it's winter. For something like that, maybe not that, that's too high, it's something like that, or that. I think this is what boys usually wear, and that is what might wear their outfit first. I'm probably gonna make the girls wear one of those, kind of, maybe. But the only one I might not do that to is Cupid, because I like the way I made her sleeves. I just need to do her presents again, and then I can restart on there. I can keep all the hair the same, just no ponytail on my hair. So no ponytail. Yes, I did make her hair long. Actually, that part, to find out which one I changed, I have it though, before I changed it. So that next time I know. Yeah, it doesn't show you if you know it, if you have it. Actually, yeah, it does. It has white around it by this. So that's my problem next time I can't find it. Okay, I don't like that. That looks cute. That looks good. Okay, I don't like that hair. The faces are good. Changed her to that. And the sleeves I changed to that. But I might have gotten a little bit of wrong. I could go with that. Yeah, I like that. Oh, and her shoes. They don't look right. Okay, and her skirt. And then others, wings. So I don't like the wings. And I take the barrette out. She can wear headphones, but I don't want to, so. Here's her old barrette. Or, if people call them hair clips, whatever people call them. What? Amos, why did you growl? I think he's jealous of my game. Anyway, y'all don't want to hear that. Sorry. Y'all can still hear that. I don't know what to say. I'm sorry. If you can't hear me, I'm sorry. But I have the thing all the way down where you aren't supposed to be able to hear my... well, the TV or the computer, whatever y'all call it, because I'm on the TV. Y'all get a close look. You can tell I'm actually on the same thing as y'all can see on my screen right here. And yeah, I'm just using the TV because it's bigger. And yeah. And whenever I need to, use this on my little mouse thingy right on the computer, whenever I'm playing Roblox or something, I just, do like that. And then since my camera's always like that, I'll be like that, and you won't really tell. So, that's what I do. My maximum time is 15 minutes on here. I don't know why it gives me max of time, but it does. And then she looks perfect. And we need to get these back to not be twins. Okay, so first off, I did not like that boy whenever I first had him, because This is him at first. What in the world is that? I know, he's ugly. And then I want to pick a girl. I want all of mine to be girls. So, let's see that we. I would pick that girl, but I don't want her because she's a devil. So I'm gonna pick her because I like cheerleaders. Okay. Okay. So I'm changing the boys to girls. Don't judge me. Ren, you can't see her face. It's just weird. So. In my next video, I am going to make every single one of them wear the long sleeves and stuff so that I never make like a series or whatever of them. Because I am. Just stay tuned for that. I'm going to have them all for the winter, so yeah. And last but not least, the presence of him. I think I already have the calf of the girls. And I am going to have the... I already have her. She's so small. I don't know what's wrong with that girl's face. Anyway, it's fine. I'm gonna pick her. I like her. Don't judge me, guys. And yeah, now I have all of the girls that I like, and I'm also gonna fix all their poses whenever I make my next video. So yeah. I just did these two because I felt like it. Her hair's so straight. Her hair was like... Anyway. I guess since I did both of these, I can change her body real quick. This is what I used to like. I'm gonna have her like that. So, yeah. Wait, I just realized she's like taller. Hold on just a second. She's that tall. Cupid's a bit taller. She's about an inch shorter than her. So I'm gonna make Cupid a bit shorter. No, that's taller. Short. I think she's still taller than her. Yeah, she is. It doesn't matter. She's about that height before I want to say. No, she's like an inch shorter now. No, not that much shorter. That much. Yeah, I think she was about that height. So, yeah, that's the end of right now's video. I'll make another video later. So, it's going to be like dressing all of them up. If they're not already dressed up. I dressed her up before I made a video, so yeah, she already has her sweater on, so I don't know what I haven't planned mine for her, or the other people. But anyways, that's the end of today's video. If you like this, smash that like button and please subscribe for more Gachaverse and Roblox. So bye!